Hi, everyone. Tanya Marie Hertz here. I am the director of the Rec Innovation Lab at San Diego Miramar College. I'm also a professor of entrepreneurship at San Diego Miramar and San Diego State University. And today we're going to be talking to you about how you can use LinkedIn as an entrepreneur to increase your visibility, to post about events, and to really get the word out about any events or workshops that you're holding. So let's go ahead and share my screen now. And I'm going to show you by actually doing an event together. So here is the picture of the person who's going to be speaking. It's the director of SCORE. So you'll want to go to your LinkedIn account, and you want to put this in your professional LinkedIn rather than your personal LinkedIn account. So you'll want to go to, I'll start by going to my profile, and then just clicking on my company. And see here, home on the company. You'll want to go to activity and then click on events and create an event right there. So the event that we're posting is an online event. It's actually a hybrid, but we'll mostly share the online component. And it's not LinkedIn Live that we're using. We're actually using Eventbrite. So go ahead and pull up your Eventbrite link. And here's our shortened Eventbrite link. I'll just pull it from right there and post that there. It's nice having Eventbrite open so you can just pull everything that you need right there. Oh, blah, that's not where the event name goes. It's the name of the link. There's the link, and then the name of the event right there. Just going to copy and paste. Command C and Command V. Blah. Command V right there. And I don't like to have an end time. I like to just do the start time. So this is April 25th, I believe. I'll double check here. April 25th at 1 p.m. Perfect. And it's 1 p.m. Perfect. Okay, no end time and date. And description, you want to do just like you do regular marketing. You want to have a catchy title. You want to hook, the clear, concise description, and a call to action. So I'm going to just take and copy and paste exactly what we wrote over our LinkedIn. So let's keep it short. And actually, let's put a little bit about the presenter, because he has a really impressive resume. So Command C, and let's paste that over here. Perfect. And we have our call to action again right in the middle, but let's put up at the end. And we'll even just leave it twice. Perfect. Okay, so then you're going to want to click the speaker's name so they get direct information about the event and confirmation from LinkedIn. So we know it's Steve Sivitz. Hi, kitty. There he is. And then, of course, there's me. So I will be introducing him. And then I always put also the director of our events coordination there at the Rec Innovation Lab. All right, perfect. So good. Moving on. Let's actually go back here. We didn't put a picture. That's pretty important, right? So let's go ahead and drop in a picture. I just pulled that right off of LinkedIn. Apply that. Okay, perfect. Now we're looking pretty good. Okay, so then now we need to post. So go back again to where we were before. Pull this up. Command C. And post there, Command V. And perfect. Now we have a nice little post. We have an event and looking good. So we can go ahead and, oh, one thing we want to do, we need a couple of in-text tags. And so we want to make sure that we have the Rec Innovation Lab, and the presenter. So Stephen Sivitz and Score San Diego. I think we can even tag Score. Score. Perfect. Perfect. Let's actually do one more in-text tag, letting everybody know that this is actually a San Diego Miramar. Perfect. All right, now we're looking good. Now we can go ahead and post to LinkedIn there. Perfect. Now this is really important. We want to invite audience members to the event. Now you can pick your invitees based on area, based on company, and I always pick everyone at the Rec Innovation Lab. And then you can expand from there. You want to invite the right people, right? You want to invite the right people. So I can go ahead and just select everybody there at the Rec, which is the easiest. There's 50 there. I can also, if I wanted to, go and invite everybody at San Diego Miramar College. Might be too big of a group there, but you can expand the search from there. But at least that gets us started. We have everyone at the Rec invited. Let's make sure we also have invited the guest speaker, Stephen Sivitz. See, better make sure he's invited. And there we go. Now we have our event all set up, and we will have a much higher probability of getting a really good turnout when we have this set up and have it set up early. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.